Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how we can get all the Windows troubleshooting related commands using ChatGPT. So let's say you are working in some IT environment and you like to use the commands whenever it is needed. You want to use all the troubleshooting commands, Windows related commands in your IT environment. So what you can do is you can type a simple prompt, okay? So maybe you may be already knowing some commands like ping, telnet, netstat, all these things. But if you would like to get the list of all Windows related troubleshooting commands, you can simply type this prompt and you will get the output. So I will show that in a second. So you can say something like, I work in IT department. I would like to know all the Windows related troubleshooting commands that we use in daily tasks, something like that. Okay, so I work in IT department. I would like to know all the Windows server related, let's put it as Windows server related troubleshooting commands that we use in daily tasks. I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. If you see now, it is giving all the most important commands that we use in IT environment. Okay, beautiful guys. See, it is giving the first command. If you see ping, ipconfig, nslookup, tracert, netstat, telnet, ping6, group policy update, sfc scan now, check disk, disk part, task list. So what you can do is you can just copy this and put it on a WordPad or Notepad, save it as a document, and you can use it whenever it is needed to troubleshoot various issues in your IT environment. It is very useful. Task kill, WMIC, event viewer, performance monitor, event viewer, GP result, NetSH. So this is really important, guys. It will be very handy for you when you are working on servers in any IT environment. Okay, so I really hope you find this quick video helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.